welcome back to my channel. I know I've been going for a little while, but I had a couple things going on. If you're interested in knowing everything that was going on with me, comment below and I can respond to some questions and things like that. But at first I was going to make a get ready with me video. The kids got all involved and it didn't come out really well, so I just decided to just hop back in on my normal videos. And if you want to know what's been going on with me, definitely comment below. I'm not gone, I am still YouTubing. Okay, anyway, that's awkward stuff out the way. Today's video is going to be a review of this hair that I recently purchased from this site called Luvme version hair. So I found them, I'm going to say by accident. I was on Facebook, and they're also on, their ads are on Instagram as well. But the ad that got me was an ad from Facebook, and I've been looking for a U-part wig forever. And I saw a girl who was doing a U-part wig, and she was showing how to do her U-part wig on the side. And you know, this is like my side part, like my thing. So I said, oh wow, like I didn't know that a U-part wig could be maneuvered so it can go on the side and look really nice. So I decided to try out this company. I heard a lot of different good things about this company through different ads on Facebook. There's so many ads on Facebook. It's like, buy it, buy it. So I don't like that about Facebook actually. Comment below how you feel about that when you're on Facebook and you're just doing random things and all of a sudden there's an ad, you know, because it knows you like these things. So definitely comment below how you feel about that, because I don't really like it. But I like it for this reason, because I found this bomb hair company. So the hair that I have in my hair right now is 22 inches and it's a U-part wig, okay? You can't even tell. It looks very, very natural, all right? I colored it and everything, and I love how it came out with the color. I just colored it black, and I used this color right here. Hopefully you can see that to do that. And it was really, really easy, really, really simple. And I'm just going to talk about pretty much the shipping, how the hair came, and my overall thoughts about the quality and everything of the hair. So again, the hair came in this box right here, okay? It came via DHL, and DHL, you have to sign for the package. I didn't like that because I'm at work and I gotta make arrangements for people to come and sign and things like that. So I was actually sick during the time that it was supposed to be scheduled to come anyway. So I was home, but I was sick anyway. So I was home, but on the regular, like I'm at work, so who's going to be here to sign for that? So that is the one downside. But if you're home or you have some arrangements or you want to send it somewhere where you know the person will be home, that's something easy to fix, okay? So the hair came in that box, and it came in this little mesh bag. Isn't that bag cute? Oh, I love when hair companies or companies in general package their stuff that they send you in really cute things, and it's reusable. Like, this is reusable for me. You know, I definitely believe in recycling and things like that. So this was really cute, okay? So it came in that bag, and it came in like a hairnet as well. And inside the box, there were a lot of goodies that came with it. I didn't just get hair. So I got some bob pins, okay? I haven't used any yet. I got a tweezers, just in case if I got a wig, I could pluck the part, which I didn't get a full lace wig or anything like that, so I didn't need to pluck apart, but that was included in there. I got some clips. I got this one. This is pink, and I got a yellow one I can't find right now because my kids. But they gave me two, so I can pin my hair back when I do my makeup and stuff. It came with a wig cap, which I don't have that anymore either. My kids. It also came with this flat iron right here. So I know my ring light is kind of bright, so when you see something white, it's going to be a little bit hard to see. And I got the flat iron because I believe when you spend over $100 on the site, you get a free flat iron. So that deal may vary depending on when you go on the site and order. I ordered around New Year's or so from, I think it was, I ordered around New Year's or so for my unit. So if that was probably the deal at that time. So definitely check out the site if you're looking for a deal like that, if you're trying to get the free flat iron, okay? I will talk about the flat iron as well because I did try to use it. So again, I have a 22-inch unit in my hair, and it is a U-part wig. And I'm just going to turn around so I'll come up a little bit so you can see it. Here it is. I'm going to turn around the back so you can see how it looks in the back and how long it is. Hopefully you can see how long it is, like that. Really, really pretty. At first when I saw it, I was like, this is 22 inches because I'm so used to wearing really long hair all the way to my behind, and this didn't really seem like 22 inches. It actually seemed longer than that. But it might just be the way that they layer the hair in the wig. It gives it the appearance of it being longer. So the length is absolutely perfect for me. I love it, love it, love it. And there's a lot of pros that I have about this hair. The first pro is affordable. Okay, so when I went on the site, it was already a good price for a U-part unit. It was already a good price. But then they have this, I guess, spin the wheel type discount promo or whatever you want to call it. And when I spun the wheel and I got an additional discount off. So that was really interesting. So that I forget how much the unit originally cost, but I ended up spending $130 on it, which is, you cannot, look at this. You cannot beat that, okay? It's not a whole bunch of bundles. It's full like it is a whole bunch of bundles, but it's not. It is a U-part wig, okay? So that's the first thing. I want to get that out of the way. This hair is definitely affordable, okay? It is very versatile. So I wore it curly. I have a picture. Maybe I can put it up here somewhere where I wore it curly. And then I also like to use some flexi rods in it. I like to use like these flexi rods, or I have some even smaller ones that I like to use to make this wavy curly pattern right here. And this is like absolutely the style that I've been loving as of late. So I just do this all the time now, but it's very versatile. So when I wanted to curl it after this style, it wasn't hard to comb out. It wasn't a lot of shedding. It didn't get really matted, and it curled so easily. The pattern that I have is actually a wavy pattern, a body wave, I believe. So or a loose wave. So it definitely curled really nice. And I have to say, this hair is the easiest hair to curl. Oh my goodness. So when you have really long hair, it's very hard to make those nice curls with your flat iron or whatever. This hair curls like a dream. I had no issue curling this hair whatsoever. This hair is nice and soft. It is so smooth. It looks very natural, and it's bouncy, and you can just run your fingers through it, and you're not really encountering any tangles or anything like that. This hair is absolutely amazing, and one of the best hair purchases that I have ever made. And there's so many videos and ads on YouTube saying these things, and you're like, oh, this is just an ad. No, it's real. This hair is really pretty, and they have U-part units, they have 360 wigs, they have full lace wigs. I've seen so many ads with your full lace wigs. I think they also have bundles as well. This hair is really beautiful, okay? I will say that. And if I decide to purchase hair in the future from here, maybe different types of U-part or different style U-part units, I definitely would recommend them. Now, I do have a couple of cons, okay? So the first con I will say is the cap size, okay? So on the website, they talk about how they changed the sizing of the cap size so it can match most head sizes. And the cap size I have right now is medium. And it's not that it's big or anything like that. It's just a tiny bit too big for me. But my stylist actually took it in and sewed it down. So that wasn't too much of a big deal. And then of course you can always, like, I have some hairpins in the look. I got some hairpins in the back on the one side that's kind of little, kind of big. You can't really tell by how full the wig is that it's a little teeny bit big, but it is. And they've actually had complaints about their wig caps being big, and they recently changed them to this new medium size, but this new medium size still might be a little bit too big for some people, okay? So definitely, if you know that what your wig size is or your cap size is, if you can choose that option to make it, get the small. If your head is small, get the small, okay? Because like I said, this is a tiny bit too big for me, but I know how to maneuver with the hairpins and things like that, so it wasn't too much of a big deal for me. That was the first thing. The second con that I have is that when I first opened the box, I didn't like how the hair smelled. Now, I've seen multiple reviews on the hair when it talked about the smell. Some people said they did have a smell. A lot of people said that they didn't have a smell. I didn't like the smell. It smelled very strong. It smelled very strong. That's the best way I can say it. But it did come from China. Okay, so I'm not trying to offend anybody, but I can tell that it traveled a long way. I'll put it that way. So, but after washing the hair, conditioning it, coloring it, all that stuff, that smell went away. But it was a very strong smell when I first got the hair. Okay, but it did go away after washing, and it doesn't smell like that anymore. It just smells like all the hair products that I washed it with and colored it with and all that stuff, okay? But it did have a very strong smell. And it wasn't just the hair, it was everything. Everything had a very strong smell, okay? The smell is now gone. I don't smell it anymore, right? The third thing I want to talk about is the flat iron. So, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really like the flat iron, okay? And the reason why I don't really like the flat iron, it's very nice and sleek. But I guess for me, it doesn't get to the temperature that I need to for my natural hair. Like if I use this on the wig, it would be beautiful. It would come out really nice. It'd be easy to curl it because of the how it's shaped with the sides of it and more rounded sides. It would be easier to curl that hair. I just didn't like it for my natural hair. My natural hair is very, 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 very thick. Like you just gotta do so much to it to get it straight like this. So it's not really no shade to the flat iron itself. It's just that it didn't work for my natural hair. But if I use this on the wig, I'm pretty sure it would curl really nicely. Okay, so that's just me, my opinion, because of my natural hair, and it's really, really. I keep telling y'all, I have sideshow Bob here in real life. Like this is not real. My hair is like sideshow Bob. It's really, really thick, and you gotta do a lot to get it like not my stylist. I gotta do a lot to get it like this. But anyway, so yeah, so my overall thoughts on this hair, I really like this hair. It's very versatile, it's very easy to use, it's easy to install. If you are not okay with the cap being a little bit big, pop some hairpins on the side where it's a little bit big and keep it pushing. And I really genuinely like this hair, and it's affordable. It's affordable, and again, it feels like you have bundles in your hair. I'm gonna turn around again. Like I have bundles in my hair. But this is just a U-part wig, okay? And this is probably the best hair purchase that I have made in a very, 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 very long time. And I definitely, if I make any other hair purchases, like maybe a 360 wig or anything like that, I definitely would recommend Luvme hair, okay? It's really, really good. I know it might come with a smell. Wash the hair, okay? It doesn't shed or anything like that. It just comes with that smell. Just wash it. It's fine, okay? It is okay. All right, and yeah, have any of you guys seen those ads on Facebook for Luvme hair? Comment below if you've seen those ads. They're like everywhere on my page. I know they're everywhere on my page, so they gotta be on other people's pages too. So definitely comment below if you have seen all those ads, if you tried the hair, how you feel about it, if you're skeptical about it, or if you have any questions about the company or the hair and things like that. Definitely comment below and let me know, and I can answer any questions that you may need answered. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new and interesting content such as this. Hello to all the new subscribers. I've seen a couple people hop on to the family. Thank you so much for supporting me and rocking out with me. And I will see you guys in my next video.